And the last option is orient to view. Then I want to talk about it. You're gonna find it interesting. When we want to work on a project in Autodesk Revit, we got two options in orientation, actually in properties of the floor plan. As you can see, true north and the project north, as you can see. The project north shows the north direction or orientation of the project, while true north considers the actual north. Let me open a slide here. Watch this. Here we got the project north and the true north. As you can see, here the arrow shows the true north. That I wanna talk about them and tell the differences. Firstly, if I want to begin with the definitions about the Project North, I should say that Project North shows the north orientation of the project based on the plan and the elevation of the project. So, as we got a straight line, as you can see in Project North, and we don't have to rotate our model to be aligned or along the true north, it is more practical. So we use Project North for the drafting, while True North is usually used as the geographic orientation and the location that I showed you before. And about their usages, I should say that Project North simplifies the process of drafting and also documentation. Also documenting the projects, while we use the True North for the site plan analysis, forecasting shadows, and actual geographic orientations. And by default, the Project North orientation is toward above of the plan. However, sometimes True North and Project North are the same, and sometimes it must be adjusted. And about the settings of Project North and the True North, we can edit the Project North in a manual way, while the true north is being adjusted based on the actual geographic orientation and the coordinates of the site plan view. And I should say that the project north got no impact on the site plan analysis, while the actual true north, the true north is very important for energy analysis, for casting the lights, geographic locations, casting shadows, sun path, and so on. And we will talk about the tools that we use to manage them. And we use the Project North when we want to draw the plans, the interior plans, and also documentations, while we use the True North in analysis of the site plan, casting shadows, and the actual orientation. So let me open the Annotate tab and then Symbolic, load. Afterwards I want to add the north orientation among one of the samples. Push this. Then I place it there. Great. Like this way, the north symbol. Afterwards I don't rotate it, I keep it. And then I make a copy out of Project North. I rename the site plan dash Project North, and then I make a duplication with detailing, and I want to name it True North site plan site True North, like this way. Well done. True North and Project North, like this way. Then I tile these two views like this way. In the continuation, I set the orientation to true north for the duplicated one, since I must set the orientation to true north if I want to rotate the symbol. While in Project North, if I want to rotate the true north, watch this, view must be oriented to true north. So I have set the orientation to true north for site true north view, because we cannot orient the true north. Anyway, I have set the orientation to true north and then rotate true north. Afterwards, I rotated it at, right now, there is a difference of 30 degrees between True North and Project North, actually, because we have just rotated it. Anyway, from the Insert tab, Link Chat, if I want to import a file here, For instance, I choose one of the plan views, or the plans actually here, and then I check orient to view and click on OK to check the results. Then you'll see that, as you can see, the orientation that is set for the view is considered in importing the plan like this way, as you can see. And if I unpin and then I delete it, afterwards I click on link add and I want to uncheck the to orient to view. Watch this. Right now it is imported based on the orientation of true north. And here, as you can see, we got the project true north that we can do the drafting, work on the project. While in true north, we cast the shadows, we check the position of the sun, we do the analysis since the true north is more realistic. But we use the project north for modeling and drafting. Therefore, these points are very significant and crucial for us while we want to import or link a CAD file, and we should have the required knowledge before importing or linking the CAD files. And as much as you increase your knowledge on Revit software, your efficiency will be increased in your work in your projects, and also you will work more efficiently in your companies or locally. However, if you want to work as a freelancer, for those that they are outsourcing some projects, you have to increase your knowledge on Revit software in order to build trust among your clients or among your employers, so we can provide a professional work and result, save your time and speed up the process, and earn more money.